We're done with the shashlik. Up next, there's fish tikka to be prepared. What sets apart Barbecue Tonight's recipe for fish tikka is not just the unique flavor, but the choice of fish itself.
डोंगरी मछली होती है, ये वज़न में थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है, कम 10 किलो का पीस होता है, तो इसमें कांटा नहीं होता है, बगैर कांटे की होती है, और जायका इसमें बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Now this is exactly what I was going to ask him, but he's clarified for me that this fish, इसको डांगरी कहते हैं?
जी, डांगरी.
That's a funny name. Doesn't have that many bones, which is why they've been able to cut this in big solid pieces. It almost looks like chicken, except that it's more white, so it's fish. Apparently, in the excitement of preparing and marinating the dish, he's already thrown a few dollops of the sauce. But let me ask him what goes into the sauce, because it is, of course, the main ingredient from where the flavor comes in. Sauce के बारे में मुझे बताएं, ये जिससे आप marinate करते हैं, इसमें क्या-क्या डलता है?
ये नेस्ले का पानी लेते हैं हम.
नेस्ले का ही पानी,
नेस्ले का पानी,
और कोई पानी
नहीं, और पानी
उससे भी जायके का फर्क पड़ता है.
जी, नेस्ले का पानी होता है, और इसमें लेमन का जूस होता है, अदरक का जूस होता है, ग्राइंडर करके जूस निकालते हैं, लहसुन का जूस होता है, लाल मिर्च पाउडर होता है, और सिरका होता है, वाइट सिरका, वो डालते हैं, हल्दी डालते हैं, और केचप वो डालते हैं, उसके बाद इसको मिक्स करते हैं.
ठीक है, इसको अच्छी तरह ग्राइंड करके पेस्ट बना के अब इसको मैरिनेट कर लें. Feeling most at home, I decide to tackle marinating this fish all by myself. So this will take about half an hour to set, in the sense that that's when the flavors really seep through. It might be the heat or maybe carbon monoxide from the coal, but my eagerness to learn more about the intricacies of skewering is beginning to verge on unhealthy. अच्छा, इसका कोई खास टेक्निक होती है, कोई खास रुख होता है, किस तरह?
बिल्कुल सेंटर से जाए,
नहीं, मगर किसी भी रुख पे चला जाए, इसमें.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
और आगे की तरफ रखते हैं ताकि आग ज्यादा लगे. Relatively easy to do as compared to the chicken, which was a bit tricky. 2 skewers later, I'm feeling truly accomplished. All right, the fish is on the skewer. It's already marinated, and I will just plunk it on right on top of the coals. Oof, काफी गर्मी है यार. अभी से काफी खुद बेक हो गई हूँ मैं. अच्छा, अब इन पे इसके लिए कोई ऑयल लगाना है? ये पहले से ऑयल होता है इसकी मैरिनेशन में?
ऑयल लगाया हुआ है, बस ये जब थोड़ा हाफ डाउन हो जाएगा तो फिर इसको जैसे शाशलिक में तेल लगाते हैं इस तरह लगाना पड़ेगा इसको भी तेल.
अच्छा. Here's some math for you. Your ability to maintain a straight face is directly proportional to your distance from the grill. And do pardon me for the frown line. There is so much heat. You have no idea what I have to go through to teach you these basic lessons in life, how to barbecue fish. But then again, you can see right now the color is changing, which is an indication of how quickly fish cooks as compared to chicken. I had assumed that finesse isn't really one of the demands that this style of food preparation places on you. Wrong. So, Mr. Basti tells me that I have to be very careful when I turn this over. Bas?
दूसरी को भी करें.
दूसरी को भी करें. And there we go. I have to be very careful. Why? Because it cooks fast and it gets tender very easily and falls apart. So if you're going to be really haphazard with this, you will lose your fish to the coal. Now, the idea is, as Mr. Vasti tells me, that the fish itself doesn't have any oil of its own or any fat. It does lose water from the fish meat. Now, according to all laws of physics, it should shrink in size, but as you can see, and as he said, surely enough, they are not shrinking at all. They are, however, changing in color, clear indication that we're almost done with this. I'm sure I don't look that convincing when I say that I'm very excited. Fact is, I've never had fish tikka before, and this just looks absolutely lovely. That is if I don't burn it. The hard work and exposure to heat pays off, and the fish tikkas are ready for presentation. Hopefully I won't drop these.
उतारेंगे, भाग जल जाए.
और इसको कोई वो उतारने वाली चीज?
नहीं, ऐसे टूट जाएगा.
ओहो, ये तो. मैं करती हूँ, मुझे try करने दे. And here is the fish prepared, really hot. Ah! कोई कपड़ा रोटी कुछ है इसको उतारने को? I'm not gonna risk it because if I break it really, there's gonna be no fun eating it. Masala तो बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है इसका. Alright, so the fish tikkas are done, but again, I cannot dig in as yet. They look absolutely lovely.